what we're looking at here is this Casablanca Panama 5 from 1988. And this is the gallery edition. It has the gallery edition glass. It has the copper light kit base. And it has the copper sideband. So the gallery edition here is pretty much just a bright brass Panama 5 with a bright copper sideband and base for the light kit. Which, that's pretty neat because bright copper was discontinued long before 1988. Yet it appeared on this fan. We'll cycle through demo mode real quick. I put new bearings in this fan. And one of the blades is not glossy right here, because I had to remove the gloss on that one blade because it was peeling really bad and it looked absolutely terrible. And the glass on the light kit is actually, I don't know what you call that, tinted or whatever. It's not just like plain boring glass, it's got like an amber tint to it, kind of. And because this is from 1988, this uses RMM2. This fan here looks really nice. I absolutely love this thing. I absolutely love those glass shades. Bring up to speed 3. If I had a place in the house to permanently install this, I definitely would. But unfortunately, I don't really have anywhere to hang it, and right here is just a testing spot. Runs very smooth. Here's speed 4. Speeds 1 to 4, it doesn't wobble at all. When you get to speed 5, it'll start to shake a little bit. Thought I heard a noise coming from the fan, I guess not. shaking ever so slightly. And then there's speed 6. And it does shake a little bit. Do spin down real fast. Really gorgeous fan. I just really love the bright brass and bright copper combo. Alright, and that is all for the Casablanca Panama 5 Gallery Edition from 1988.